Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. This week we have a request from a community member and her name is Kimberly. And she writes, "Hi Miss Planet." Hi Kimberly. I'm getting married soon and I'm looking to create a centerpiece with cherry blossom branches. When I go to the florist, the starting price is over $150 per centerpiece. I'm looking for a way to achieve this fullness with half the price if possible. Well, Kimberly, not only did we achieve this look, but we did it for less than half the price. So I am super excited to show you how we created this tall cherry blossom themed wedding centerpiece in 3, count them, 1, 2, 3, easy steps. All right, guys. Let's get to it. So for this centerpiece, we're going to use one 16-inch trumpet vase, and we're going to use 4 different lengths of these orchid stems. Now, I chose orchid stems because they have a fuller effect and they're more economical. So we're using 4 different sizes. 36 inches, which is what they actually come as, and then we cut them down 20 inches, 16 inches, and 10 inches with our floral wires. And that's measurement from the tip of the longest blossom stem to the base of the stem. So to start, we're going to use 3 to 5 36-inch stems, and we're just placing them into the vase directly. There's nothing in the vase, it's just placed directly. Now, this is going to give us our height. Next, we're going to go ahead and add 4 to 6 20-inch stems, and they're just going to sit in there, and you just arrange them to how you like. Trust yourself. Place them where you want them. If you don't like it, take them out of the vase and rearrange them. You can do this. Finally, we're going to add in those 10-inch stems for the fullness. Now, these are just single stems cut off of the longer branches. So just making that clarification. Now I'm going to show you a secret. Are you ready? The way that you pre-prep these vases and these flowers is to go ahead and attach floral wire around your flower bouquet, and it keeps everything in place and it's ready to travel. I know, it's really that simple. So you're just going to wrap some floral wire around the base and it's ready to travel. And now let's get to our event and set it all up. So now that you're at the venue, you are ready to assemble everything, and it's very simple. Go ahead and put crystal vase filler about 1/3 of the way in, set your flower bouquet in, and just fill it up all the way around, covering the stems as best as you can. So you want to give the illusion that these flowers are blossoming out of a crystal vase. Now that you have secured your bouquet, you're going to go ahead and cut the wire from around and just unwrap it. The flowers will release and they will be lovely. Go ahead and fluff it from your base on out and add any additional 10-inch stems for your desired fullness. Well, Kimberly, what do you think? This is absolutely stunning. I want to let all of you know that I put some different options for vase filler to cut your cost down even more from the Dollar Tree. So there are optional vase filler options in the links in the description right below this video. You just click on that little button that says show more and all the links are there for you. I am so glad, Kimberly, that you allowed us to be a part of your special day, and I hope you love it as much as we do. If you guys like it, go ahead and like us. Why don't you subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted? And by all means, drop us a comment, ask a question. I answer them myself. I know it takes me a little bit to get to them, guys. It's just been really crazy, as we all know. But I will get to your comments, and if I don't, we have a fantastic community who will get to you and answer your questions as best they can. But I'll get there. I promise I will. You can also follow us on our social media. If you haven't checked us out yet already, please check out our Facebook, our Instagram, our Twitter, and our Pinterest. They are all fantastic ways that we are continuing to reach out and help all of you in our community. So check us out. In addition to that, go ahead and sign up for that free Rakuten account and get some discounts on all of that online shopping that you're going to be doing. It's very simple. Just click on the link in the book. Click on the link in the description, sign up for your account, sign on, find your vendors, make your purchases, and receive a check for your shopping efforts. Well, guys, our time has come to an end. It always goes by so fast. But before I go, be sure to check out our website, MissPlanIt.com, for some awesome cost-saving tips, things that we just ran out of time we can't share on here. Our blogs are just made directly for you to help you save money, as well as picture and written instructions for most of our projects. In addition to that, there is a free resource library, just little tidbits I drop in there from time to time that may help you with your planning, with your organizing, or just printing out table numbers. There's some of everything in there. So please go ahead and check out our website. You can click right there in the corner, or you can go into the link below, MissPlanIt.com. It was so nice hanging out with you. I hope you were as blessed as I was for this time. And we just want you to remember, when every penny counts, you can count on Miss Planet. Please take care of yourself. We'll see you soon. God bless.